Today, I'm going to show you how to create a polo t-shirt design using AI. First, I asked ChatGPT to generate a prompt for a polo t-shirt. ChatGPT provided a detailed and creative prompt. Now, let's move to the next step. Open the website freepik.com. Go to the AI section, click on the image generator option. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT, click Generate, and wait for the AI to create your polo t-shirt design. That's it! Your AI-generated polo shirt design will be ready in seconds.